Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Look for Less challenge, which is hosted every month by Yami from the LATINA next door, and her co-host this month is COURTNEY from Creative on the Cheap. You will find the link to both their channels in the description box, and please visit those channels. You will find a lot of things that you will love. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be participating in this challenge, and I also encourage you to watch them because I always find something I want to recreate in the videos of the challenge I enter, so you will find a lot of inspiration too. The Look for Less challenge is about finding an item of the court that is pricey and recreate it for less money. So I found this. Can you see it? Yes. I love tobacco baskets, and I love this piece. It's from Country Home and Heart, and the price is $57. Too much. Absolutely too expensive for me. So I'm going to try to recreate it with things I have at home. Of course, we can't go out and buy anything at this time. And anyways, if I want to spend less money, I have to use things I already have. Thankfully, I had this tobacco basket that I got last year after Easter in a grab bag from Michael's. In each grab bag that cost $4, I found about more than $200 in items. So this basket must have cost me 50 cents, no more than that. Then I have this welcome sign that is from Dollar Tree. This inspiration doesn't have it, but I want to include it. And I had these flowers that I've been keeping, waiting to be used, and they are perfect for this creation. And I hope you know by now, because that would mean that you follow me and watch my videos, but if not, let me tell you, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. We have a channel, you will find the link below. We are dumpster chicks, and we find a lot of treasures in the dumpsters because stores, I don't know why, they throw away treasures, real treasures. In one of our dives, we found, sorry, something got into my finger, a little piece of glass, I don't know why. We found this, I think we found 4 of these, and I think it was at Kirkland's. Candles, they come with the twine and the tag. Let me see if Kirkland's. Yes, Kirkland's. $9.99 each one. We find them for free. So we shared one of us and donated the other ones. I think it was 4 or 6. I don't remember because it was like a year ago. So I'm going to use this mini bucket, this pail. So let me remove the candle that smells so good. And I'm going to try to do something like the inspiration. I made a mark where the border of the bucket is going to be. So, well, but now I'm thinking I made that mark, but I'm thinking I like it better here. Let me try before placing everything. Let me see if I place it here. Yes, I think it's too high. I don't know why. Oh, maybe. I know why. Yes, I made a mark with the basket turned upside down. So yes, that's why I made this mark. So I'm going to leave the tag. I really like it. I don't mind that it says olive wood and time. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm going to leave that. And I'm going to glue the bucket. I'm going to remove the tags. Well, I will have to remove this later on, and maybe I'll leave it like it is, as it is. So I'm going to add just a little bit of hot glue. As you can see, I've already added this twine that is going to be what I will use to kind of hang it. Here we go. As you can see in the original, the bucket is hanging, and that's what I'm trying to do here with this twine. I will probably have to add some E6000 later, but for now it's going to work, I hope. Yeah. So now I know I made a mark in the back to see here. Here are the marks I made, because here is where I have to place the twine and I'm going to try to make a bow. So here we go. Almost done. I think the twine should have been longer, but anyways. Here it is. Okay, and now I'm going to add the flowers. I'm not using anything because it's going to be standing like this, hanging from the wall, so the flowers don't need to have a floral foam, you know. That's it. And now that will allow me to see where am I going to place a welcome sign. So far this is finished. As you can see, it looks not exactly, but very similar to my inspiration. But I really want to add this welcome sign. And I think I'm going to place it here because I need some surface to add it. I would like it here, but I can't add the sign. I don't know. I may try. If it doesn't work, I will remove it later. So let's see. A little bit here and a little bit here, and we are almost done. I need my finger protectors, like so. Let me see if it is adhere or not. I have to do something different, so I'm going to add a little bit of glue gun here, hot glue, sorry, and here. for it to stay in place. Again, maybe later I will add some E6000. To make sure it won't get loose. So yes, yeah, it's working. So this is it. As you can see, it's really easy. Let's compare both the inspiration and the final product. Unfortunately, you can't see it. Let me see if I can. Bear with me, I will try to move the camera. Here we go. Here you can see it in full. So I spent 50 cents. I bought this from China. There are 2 bouquets and it cost me $1 each. So $2, $2.50, nothing, and less than $1 because the package with this sign comes with 2 more words. So it's like 30 cents. So honestly, it's less than $5 if you include the twine. I don't think it's even $4. Even if I had to buy the candle, which was $10, it's much less than $57. And I'm really pleased. I love how it looks, and I can't wait to hang it from my wall. So I hope you like this video and this inspires you to recreate something that you can't afford. Look around your house and you will find for sure something that you can use. If you like this video, sorry, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank Yummy and COURTNEY for hosting this awesome challenge, and please again visit their channels and the playlist. I hope you're staying at home and safe. I hope to see you in my next video too. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.